Hey everybody. So on this episode of Mr. Fix, we got a request from Antonio from Upper New York State. Watch his question.
Up here on my ranch in northern New York, I have a problem. So when I'm driving at night with my 2009 Chevy Duramax, I seem to have trouble seeing because my headlights are so foggy. Mr. Fix, would you have a solution for this?
So thanks for the question, Antonio. Well, you see, after time, these headlights really get bad. So you see people use Colgate, sanding paper, whatever. You gotta remember these are plastic. So what's the best way to do it? So I'm gonna use some of this. First off, let's clean it off real good. I got some bug spray here, bug remover. So I'm gonna put some of this on, take it off. Then after that, I'm gonna try some of this turtle wax, polishing compound, just anything that you have in the garage, right? If you're waxing cars, you might as well use the same thing. Then after that, hopefully I get it all clean, and then I'm gonna put a top finish with some wax, new finish wax, just to kind of give it a shine. So let's see how it goes. Now, take a look at it. It's turning out pretty good compared to what it was, even just the rubbing compound. The more you rub, the better you're gonna get. So, you could even put, if you have a buffing wheel or whatever, maybe give it a buff, see how it turns out. You know? But once you feel it, you know, you'll see it feels a lot smoother. Clean it up real good. Like I said, keep rubbing it. If you want to do it again, you can do it again, you know. But already I'm seeing improvement. So then what I'm going to do, obviously clean chamois probably make a better difference. You know, these microfiber ones are good. You know, this thing is, I'm not dealing with a show car here, so it doesn't have to be necessarily the cleanest, especially I'll use one of my older ones that I don't usually use for waxing. So this is just to kind of give it a nice little topping, just like any kind of wax. What's going to happen is going to be nice and smooth, and it'll protect it, and it'll prevent anything from sticking to it. And this new finish is awesome. It's real cheap, like $7-8, and it'll work on anything, but not recommended for dark colors. No blacks. Do not use black. If I have another episode, I'll show you what a black one looks like. You know, I use special stuff for black cars. But for this, I'd recommend any kind of wax that you have laying around that you use on your car. You can use it on this, not a problem. So here's a look. That one not done, and this one done. It's pretty good. So there you have it. At the end of the day, you gotta rub. You gotta get in there, you gotta do it. You can spend money on certain kits. I don't know if it's worth it, to be honest with you. You wanna just clean them up a little bit. Once they've reached a certain age, I don't think they're ever gonna come back 100%. Remember, it's only new once, you know? But you know, it's obviously a lot better than what it was. You clean it up and you go with it, and I think it's fine. So let's try to use things that we have around the house. No need to spend money when you don't have to. So good luck, Antonio, to your little restoration headlight project, and good luck to you guys also. Thanks for watching Mr. Fix.